Metis, Ahmedabad. Remote controlled robotic R. Okay. Transmitter, 4 switches for stepper motor forward, stepper motor reverse, DC motor forward, DC motor reverse. HT12E, dip switches, resistor, transmitter. Okay, receiving section, 12 volt battery, DC motor forward reverse control relay, DC motor, stepper motor wiring sequence. White and black are VCC 12 volt. I repeat, black and white wire is VCC 12 volt and sequence is blue, red, green and orange. Remember, this is in the sequence, but stepper motor connections, black and white are VCC 12 volts. First A is equal to blue, red, green, orange. Okay, remember that sequence. Okay, deep switches, keep these switches same position here, same here. HT12D decoder IC, RX433 receiver part. It's attached with buck strip, so detachable. Okay. Indicator LEDs, power indicator LED. If we supposed to connect AC step down transformer, we can connect it here. We have placed hole 7805 for 5 volt regulation supply, because the relays, motors and stepper motor works on 12 volt DC, but 12V receiver microcontroller will work on 5 volt DC. Okay, so we need to step down. Okay, power indicator LED resistor, PNP transistor BC557, 6 transistor, 4 switch. This ULN 2803. ET89S52 indicator LEDs, reset switch, reset capacitor. Okay, let's take a demo. Okay, we will find demo in another video.